Are you wondering what would be the best way to design a bathroom and you know where to start? You don't know where to start? I'm gonna answer all the questions, and also at the end of the video I'm gonna explain to you exactly how to know it, what to do, and how to make sure you don't be in the situation where you don't know what to do. So, where to start? Take a picture from your bathroom. Go to ChatGPT. If you don't have it, download it for free. Take a picture of your bathroom. Prompt it like this. Say, hey ChatGPT, make me a realistic render of my bathroom. I need this and this, whatever you need. And you tell them, this is my pain points. This is what I need, this is what I have, this is the problem I have. I need a double vanity. Tell tell them your problem. And then from there, tell them also that, give me some ideas. Guide me in some color options. Guide me in what we want. It will not give you the perfect picture, it will give you some guidance. And then you can tweak it as we go. And then once I got all the information, now I can really start working on your vision. Because without that, now it's just an idea in your head, and I cannot read your mind yet. So inspiration picture will be super helpful. Once we have that, then my team can build something cool like this. See that? With your selections. And not only that, we could build entire budget. See that? All the selections, lights, mirrors, with the pricing, with the scope of work. For example, demolition, electric, plumbing, tile, the whole thing right here. We can build the budget once we see the vision. So if you're thinking about it, you don't know what to go to the ChatGPT, prompt it. Again, just say, make me a realistic picture, and this is my pain points, this is my final outcome, and this is the idea of the color. If you don't know the color, tell me. I don't know what color to go, tell me. From there you can have the guidance. Alright, you have a wonderful day. I hope that helped you.